Banana tree, ackee tree.
Oh my gosh, Sheila, I need about 10 of them.
They be confusing. They be so confused. I be so confused. Did you do it there? A taste I haven't had in years.
Yo, Lando, prime time Lando in the building. Shalom, shalom, lifestyle trucking, Jamaica running.
You was watching the last video, you know we was at UTECH and we never made it back to Hanover. We stopped over there and I don't know my white people's side. We'll give you the name in a second. We're now on countryside. We're now at her grandmother's house where all her mom and all them grew up. The original house, I guess, Bagwak. That's what over here called. I'm not sure what kind of fruit is this. What kind of fruit is this? Anybody know? It's not guava. I have no idea what this is. We know that's apple tree, right? Apple tree right there, so. All right, coconut. This is the original horse. 18 kids was raising this. Coconut tree. So this is the original spot. Oh, they're right by the church. So I churchyard this. I don't know. I'm not from here. You gonna ask me where to get up tree. Let me go ahead and say what? Country, this one.
I remember right here. I remember like back there.
A real country, you know?
Look.
Banana. Nutmeg. Oh, okay. I was asking what kind of fruit, so it's a nutmeg inside. Oh, I never knew what nutmeg looked like. Okay.
That's my hunter. That's my boy tree.
Mom, what?
People, this is my wife's family land right here. Now this right here that you're looking at, this used to be straight bushes. Her brother came down from America, chopped it down, and he started to build his own house where he planted pine. You can see the pine trees, the bananas, the plantains, star apple. Man, Jamaica is so beautiful, and yet we tend to forget how beautiful our island is, man. A lot of the time, it's the outsiders that see the beauty in the land. Right, this is beautiful. This man lived in America. Look at it. He just started to build a house and he chopped all this down, set it up. I love it. I see it. I can only imagine what it's gonna look like in the next year or so. Yeah. Banana tree, ackee tree, star apple. Jamaica. No star apple. This star apple tree right here, Jamaica. This is probably one of the best fruit. Yeah, it look like it. No, that's not grape. That's that's for the what's the name? Toilet. Good coconut. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Sheila, I need about 10 of them. I need one.
All you need is one. All you need is one. Watch this though. I'm bringing it in. Watch that. We're gonna see. Pick some star apple. I'm not gonna do it. Oh, man, one right there. I can't believe that. Can't believe it. Oh,
Go grab that. That's one right there. Yes, sir. Yep. One. Okay. No. Good food. What is? Sorry,
Right.
I just picked it. It hit the floor.
All right, people, we're driving back from St. Catherine. What was that? Backwalk? I was with my wife, people, so we headed back down to my side of town. The country life, you know. She talk about my country. She country too. So yeah, we headed back down. I definitely enjoyed it. Her brother had like fruits, everything in the backyard. Everything is there. Like that's what to me, that's what I call rich. It's rich, man. He can, if the world shut down right now, he can survive. And that's what I love, man. I love nature. I love nature. He can survive if the world shut down right now. And that's a beautiful thing. So we headed back down the country. I don't even know if I ended yesterday's video. Yesterday's video, we came up here to, we went to UTECH to bring my daughter to the school. She wanted to see what the school was like. She was looking into doing study abroad at that school. So we went to go check it out. Is there a turning lane? I don't know.
I don't think that's your turn lane.
I don't freaking know which way to turn. It'd be confusing. I'd be so confused. I'd be so confused. Did you know where to turn? I didn't know which way to turn. Y'all don't laugh at me. I was confused. I didn't know which way to turn. I'm looking like I just gotta make sure I don't turn on the wrong side. Sometime, you know, it kicks in. Oh man, that was funny. Oh yeah, we're going through the toll road. This toll is expensive. If you do the math, the amount of toll we spent yesterday was probably about $40. You know that? We spent a lot of money yesterday on toll. The first one was like $4,000 and change. The second one was like.
Which one? Where you supposed to go?
I know where I'm going. I see I'm going that way. You see that Montego Bay Orcharius? I know that much. Octave. We in the wind, y'all.
Time Lando, yeah, we dip on the road. Truck them rolling, blessing overload from Georgia to Florida.
Alright, people, I forgot to update y'all. We have 3 hours and 10 minutes drive home from my wife's brother's house. I've been driving. They've been using me up. We climbed this mountain right now. We on this toll road. This toll road is expensive. It's not a road you drive on a regular. I ain't gonna say it's expensive, but it depends what expensive to you, because it is convenient, it's smooth, there's no issues on the road. But you're gonna spend some money on it. You're gonna spend some money on it. Look at that truck. That truck taking the time. If you're a trucker, you understand what's going on, why that truck driving so slow. The truck, same gear you going up with, the same gear you coming down with. My truckers know what's going on. But this what, 8% elevation? That's not too bad. But the lowest I think I've seen was like 4%. But this you running. You running. No, but yeah, we headed home now. I never even told y'all why I'm here. I'm here for a wedding. The wedding is tomorrow, so I'm really here for a wedding. I'm headed back down. We got rehearsal today. Alright. Appreciate y'all. Continue watching this journey, because we're gonna find something to eat. My wife is hungry. Alright, people, we at the toll. We're gonna see how much this toll is. We was already halfway on it. Paid like $2,000 something. How you doing? $2,028.50. Can I ride the what? 28.50. So shoot, we probably spent about a good freaking St. Anne.
You want us to come?
Hungry, need to find something to eat, you know.
Alright, love you.
We're a little hungry, but I see if we can get something to eat real quick. I worry about that juice.
So?
4. Yeah. It's going to YouTube, you know.
Okay.
So the fish better be good. Fish good. Say, yeah, man, fish good. Alright, people. Y'all see what's going on. All they have is fish right now on festival. It's early. No breakfast. Jamaica. You want beetroot? They got carrot juice. You want carrot juice? Is it sweet? No. Refreshing. Yep. She wants something with sugar. But give it, so you want carrot juice or you want beetroot?
What else they have?
She's good. She don't people, she don't want this healthiness, this healthy juice.
Alright. What kind of tropical do we have? We have the mango carrot.
She don't just eat mango neither. Alright. You don't want none of this.
Yeah, I'll take one.
It's good for you. It's the good beetroot, people.
It's alright.
Prime time Lando. The police are? The police band? I'll go with it. People, when it comes to road trip, yeah, make random stops, right? What they say. Make some random stops. Look, I was just one thing with her. This was with that movie. Yeah, sure. First festival. Yeah. So the original way it was cinnamon in there. This is good, actually. This is good. Hmm? Maybe I can give you some of mine. Crazy. Shalom, shalom, people. We made it. We made it home. We got home. We showered and went straight to sleep. I forgot I was even recording for y'all, but I'm about to go ahead and eat this. Sorry, Apple. If you know, you know. Stop playing. What I'm about to do? Throw the seeds outside. We made it. Man, this is a taste I haven't had in years. We up now. Actually, about to go do a rehearsal. My sister rehearsal. By the way, either way, appreciate y'all for watching, man. Country boys to country boy Lando. You know what I mean, I used to love these. Fight for that. Either way, thank y'all for watching, man. It's your boy Lando. I am the Mando. Mr. Western Jamaica. I might change my name to that. Western JA. Put a spin on it. Somebody put a spin on it and make it sound better. Alright? It's your boy Lando. I'm out.